If you want to share a SurveyMonkey survey quickly and easily, this video will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. Whether you're sending a survey to customers, students, teammates, or your audience, sharing it the right way makes it simple to collect responses fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, locate the survey you want to share. This is the survey you've already created and are ready to send out. Click on the survey to open it, and that will take you to the survey workspace where you can manage all your sharing and publishing options. Next, look for the Publish Survey option. This is the step that prepares your survey link so it can be shared with other people. When you click Publish Survey, SurveyMonkey will generate a shareable link for your survey. This link is what you'll send by email, message, social media, or anywhere else you want people to access your survey. Once the link is generated, SurveyMonkey will show you a copy button. Click copy to copy the survey link to your clipboard. After that, you can paste it wherever you need it. For example, you can paste it into an email, a text message, a Slack channel, or even a website button or QR code workflow, depending on how you want to distribute your survey. If you want to test it first, you can open the link in a new tab to make sure it takes you to the correct survey and that everything looks right before sharing it with your audience. This is a good habit, especially if you want to make sure the survey is ready for respondents and the experience is smooth on both desktop and mobile. Another thing to keep in mind is that the link you generate is usually the quickest way to share your survey, but SurveyMonkey may also give you additional sharing options depending on your plan and settings. So if you want to explore more ways to send a survey later, you can always come back to the same publishing area and look at the other collection methods available. But for the basic process, the main idea is simple. Go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Publish Survey, and then copy the generated link. That's all it takes to share a SurveyMonkey survey in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.